Introduction of all the new kids.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Muskan. Now I will introduce my cute sister. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Sarah. I am Muskan's sister. She is the best sister ever.
Aww.
Now we will welcome our best buddies, Fatima, Alina, and Amira. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Fatima. I am Alina. I am Amira. And we are the bestest buddies ever. Now it's time for us to leave the stage and welcome our brothers.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
I am Adam.
I am Musa.
I am Bilal.
I am Salim. And we are brothers for life. And together, we will learn some hadith.
That's all the kids. By the way, I am Muskan and Sarah's dad.
And I am their mother.
And join us in this excited Hadith journey.
Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.